Hey guys, good morning. It's Monday, last week of the month. So galing na tayo sa market. Went to the market. And this is the park that I always go there, do exercise. And walking back home na guys. Maganda ang araw ngayon, maaraw. Unlike Saturday, umulan. Yesterday is okay naman. So this area is Bukit Panjang, west zone of Singapore. So yeah, and this is my last year here, my last contract here in Singapore, and it's December I finished my contract, and I will go back home for good, but still thinking, I'll see what I'm gonna do in the Philippines, if I'll stay good for good. Like, so katatapos lang ng Chinese New Year, but I think tomorrow is the last day of celebration of Chinese New Year, kaya may mga display pa sila din, oh. Mga decoration nila. So this is CC, and all the buses, mga bus is papunta ng city. I'm alive because of Jesus Christ. God is great. God is great. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven and earth above. The wisdom, power, and power, and an awesome God. So yeah, pauwi na tayo. I always do video in this area guys. Lapit na sa bahay yan. So I got things in my hands. Oh, Sunday is my friend's graduation day, so I got something for her. It's in the church, by the way. She studies School of Leaders, like biblical study. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven and above the earth. So malapit na sa bahay guys. Yan na yun. That building, HDB. Walang mga landed house dito. Mostly is HDB. Mga ganyan. So yeah. Bye guys. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead. Last week of the month, February. Ang bilis ng araw. March na naman. So yeah. Let's go